when you look at the manufacturing modules that we're able to implement, the costing that we can generate within that is great. We're looking at process OEE in the middle of implementing that, so having that information on the shop floor, EAM, that module, having implemented that and really taking our maintenance group from a spreadsheet, Outlook calendars, and really kind of professionalizing that and putting that in a program as well. I think we'll see improvements in uptime and output as a result of that. I think it's really has to do with kind of that one vendor solution. Being able to leverage the success that we've had with ERP and really kind of building off of that as kind of a one-stop shop. If there is an issue or future enhancements, really looking to that one team to be able to drive growth there.